In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a Moneygram receiver name. Whether you've made a small typo or need to make a minor correction, this tutorial will help you seamlessly navigate the process. Let's get started. First, open the Moneygram app on your mobile device or head to the Moneygram website using your preferred browser. Logging into your account is your first step. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access your transaction history efficiently. Once logged in, navigate to your transaction history. Here, you'll find a list of all your recent transactions. Carefully select the transfer for which you want to make changes to the receiver's name. It's important to ensure you have the right transaction to avoid any confusion later on. Next, look for the menu icon, which usually appears as 3 dots in the top corner of the transaction details. Tapping this icon will bring up a list of options. From this menu, you'll want to select either Need Help or Modify Transaction. This will initiate the process of making changes to your transfer. Follow the prompts provided by the app or website. These steps may vary slightly depending on any updates to the platform, but they typically guide you through confirming your request. You'll usually need to confirm by tapping Yes to proceed further. At this point, you'll be connected to Moneygram customer support. Once connected, clearly explain the correction you need for the receiver's name. It's essential to articulate the nature of the change, especially if it's just a minor spelling mistake. Remember, it's not possible to change the receiver's name entirely to a different person. If that's necessary, you'll need to cancel the current transfer and initiate a new one. However, small corrections are usually manageable with the help of customer support. After you've explained your situation, and once the support team approves your request, the receiver's name will be updated in the system. This process might take a little time, so be patient as they make the necessary changes for you. And that's it. That's how to edit a Moneygram receiver name. By following these steps, you can ensure that minor errors are corrected, allowing your transfer to proceed smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.